coronavirus don jabata for Edo State again. Some people not believe say e dey. Na im make dem no dey wear their face masks and follow other COVID-19 guidelines. As at yesterday, 28 December, Edo don record 2,834 cases. Na im make TMC TV carry waka enter town to find out from Edo people wetin dey shele on top the second wave.
Definitely, the thing go affect business activity. People already afraid. People don't fear how the thing go take be, especially based on the experience of the first pandemic, COVID-19. So this second one may definitely affect people. But we are hoping that it will not be too long before any lockdown.
But nobody's scared. No one's people not dey wear face masks. Why?
Yes. People not they wear face masks because the truth about people not wearing face masks, even as I'm holding my own, is that we don't really believe that there's COVID-19. That is the truth. Why? Because there were speculations and rumor in the first time they were talking about it, that if somebody dies, they will just say, let us assume that, or let us claim that it's COVID-19. There were cases that were not really real, and because of that, people lost interest and confidence in the government.
You know, say that last year, we can't lock down our business. We don't come to sell. We don't come to do. They say if you want, we still continue our business. We should we should wear a face mask. So we can't wear face mask. If you want to greet a person, say not be like this. We go like this.
Why you not come wear your face mask?
Because the reason why I don't come put wear face mask, you know, the issue of COVID-19 it don't come pass the day.
But they say second wave don't come.
Me, I even surprised say they say second things once they come, but it not come spread like that. It not come too much like that. I never even hear am. So if I hear am, say since I don't hear am now, maybe if I dey come work, not be say I don't get my own face mask, I don't bring am. Cause I never even hear the thing. I just dey hear now. You all lose strength for me now.
When the first one started, we thought that it will kill everybody, but to God be the glory. We survived it. This second one now, I see no reason why everybody should fear. Should not fear. Nobody should fear about it.
But nobody they take guidelines. Nobody they wear face masks. Do social gathering again.
The social gathering, no prevention again, because most of us we are in the marketplace now. We are not wearing face masks.
Why
no social. I have my face mask. I'm not wearing. I didn't wear it. In short, the thing is like we are not too sure of it again.
Like me. As I come out for house now, I get my own personal sanitizer. You understand? As I come out for house now, I even got a nose man because of I want to enter bank back for the command. So it's good. Say, me all of us make we join hand with government. Not we need to leave everything for government. Government not will do everything.
But many people not believe say it dey, but they not dey wear nose mask.
It dey because my people will see that side. My brothers and sisters will see that side. Me and they see they communicate and they see they talk am. Say it dey. So they not go fix constantly tell me like say it not dey. They let it be say now because of the country where we dey, our government not tell us the truth. Now make people believe say not dey.
In the states, everybody adhere to the rules and the order given by the government to prevent it from the state.
But many people believe say not dey, but they not dey put on their face masks. Why?
We cannot say that it's not existing or it's not happening, because we are seeing it right from the overseas, from the screens. We see what's happening elsewhere. You cannot say that everybody is just telling lie that this thing is fake. So to me, I don't think it's fake. It's real. All we need to do is to adhere to all these social distancing and wearing of face mask. As you can see myself, I'm wearing it. I just bought this one, 150, not quite long. So I know that it's existing. We need to obey these simple rules to avoid it from coming again to the states.
Make una sabi say coronavirus dey real, so make una wear una face masks, sama una hands with better soap and water, and avoid crowded places. My name na Innocent Eikweme from TMC TV.